Hi guys, in this video what I want to teach you is how to add a capture form to one of the programs that you've added on your programs page. Okay, now this is great for capturing people's emails and their names or telephone numbers as well. You can do that. Okay, so this is how we do it. We first need to log into our members area and click add or edit the program and find the program that we want to add our form to, and I'm going to add mine to this. Okay, Buildabizonline. This is my pro trial offer and it's working really well. I'm really pleased with this, and what's happening is people are joining for 15 days and then they're carrying on their pro membership, so we're doing really well with that. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click edit the program, and then what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to scroll down here as well and find the end, okay, because I want this capture page to be underneath my offer. So I'm just going to left click there and click enter, and then I'm going to click open tag center. Not difficult, please don't say it's difficult, it is not. Okay, and then go underneath, and then I'm going to put this. Please fill in the form below. Okay, to get to find out more. Okay, simples. Okay, then what we want you to do is to go like this. I want you to click enter, and then I want you to put this. I want you to open bracket BR, which means break, and then that, and then go underneath. And then we're going to head over to our, you can do this with any capture form, but hoping and praying that you're a pro member at Buildabizonline. Let's click on campaigns. We'll just reveal the very thing that we're going to copy, but never mind, because our autoresponder works. You can see that there with Buildabizonline campaign that I've set up. So I clicked on campaigns and this is a list of mine. Now you must have a working campaign. Okay, so create a campaign and add some messages to it. You can see that I've got 5 messages in this particular one, and you can see that the Buildabizonline autoresponder really does work because I've got 7,536 subscribers, but only 7,493 are active because 43 have dropped out. Okay, so I can clear them whenever I want by clicking on subscribers. Okay, I've actually sent out 12 broadcasts or emails to the whole batch. Okay, and that was to test the system to make sure everything's okay. And as I say, we've got 5 messages in that campaign and none pending. So in other words, there is nobody that has filled in the form and then not clicked the confirmation email. Okay, right, you may see amongst these links just here this, and it's called the HTML form code. So let's click on that, and there you will see the code that we need, and we're going to simply right click within the box, select all, and then copy that. Okay, we're going to go over here and we're going to paste it right after our break tag, paste it in there, and that's it. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is click edit a program. Now let's have a peep. Shall we have a peep? Ooh. Yeah, there it is. That's fantastic. Now what you could do, you could put another break in. Shall we do that? I'll do that for you, and I'll show you why. Because that is a bit too close to this wording. So I'm teaching you some advanced little tricks here, some HTML code. So here's our program. Can you see? It's too close to the box. So what I'm going to do is click edit the program, And we're going to find our wording right at the end. Just, where are we? There. Okay. And we're going to add again another break. So we're going to go BR, and we should have then a bigger gap. Let's have a look, see if we have. And there it is. Excellent. So that's that. It's to prove it, let's go to our programs page, click on there and find our little program, and this is it. I'll leave this form on, see if it entices any more into it. And there we have it. So please fill in the form below to find out more. And that's it. That's how to add a form onto one of your programs at Buildabizonline and your programs page. Okay, thanks for listening. Bye for now. Any questions, all you need to do is contact me. Don't quit, don't give up, contact me. I will be there to help you.